Hi guys, today we're gonna show you how we do our cream cheese spread. So what we need for the spread, we need good quality cream cheese. We're gonna have 1 clove of garlic, depends on the quantity you're making. And we're gonna have some minced onions, minced dill, chopped fine scallions. Gonna have some little bit of lemon juice, olive oil, a little bit of olive oil, and we're gonna flavor it with some mint, dried mint. That's optional, of course, and we're gonna add some hot pepper flakes, and that's gonna be optional as well. Then you can season it with freshly ground pepper and salt. Okay, let's put it together. Okay, so to our cream cheese, we're gonna add the garlic, okay? And we add the minced onions, okay? The dill, okay? The scallions, okay? So after I add the herbs and the onions, I mix everything together. You could do this either manually like this, or you could put it in a mixer and mix it in a mixer if you like. But for me, I do it by hand most of the time. Okay, so when I mix my herbs, then I add my seasoning, okay? I add a little bit of salt, not much, okay? A little bit of freshly ground pepper, not much, okay? And I have my dried mint here from my garden. This is the Lebanese Middle Eastern variety. So I use this strainer here to pulverize it. It helps, all right? Okay, so after I add the mint, salt, pepper, I mix it again. As you can see here. Okay. For optional, hot pepper flakes if you like. You don't have to, just a little bit because this goes a long way, okay? Okay, then I add a little bit of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Not much, just a little bit. Okay, and I add a little bit of olive oil, of good quality olive oil, okay? Then I blend everything together. Okay, so this is the basic cream cheese herb spread, and of course you could add vegetable like carrots and radishes to it if you like a vegetable version of it. You chop them real fine, and also if you like to add some smoked salmon, you get smoked salmon, you chop it, and you mix it up pretty well with the ingredients, either with the herb version or the vegetable version. It's up to you. And if you like, you can make this spread into a bowl, and you can roll it in some of chopped nuts of your choice, like walnuts or pecans or pistachios. Okay? We will post the written recipe for you on our X Twitter page or Facebook page. Okay? Okay, guys, I hope you like this recipe, and And if you try it at home, let me know in the comments. Okay? Bye for now.